Hi, I'm Dr. Ben Johnson, and I'm the founder and formulator of Osmosis Beauty. And I want to start off by explaining to you how different our approach is and how different our formulas are from what the rest of the industry is doing. You see, your skin isn't broken. It doesn't need to be destroyed, removed so that some fresh new cells come in. In reality, all your skin needs is to be fed the proper nutrients and growth factors, and that's really what the Osmosis formulas are about when it comes to aging. We're designing our patented or patent-pending formulas to create new levels of circulation in your skin to feed the rejuvenation process. You don't want to wound the barrier, you actually want to build the barrier back up, because when your skin is healthy, that is when it thrives. That is when it repairs old damage best. And Osmosis's holistic medical strategy is exactly what is needed in order to accomplish that. Now, it goes beyond this, of course, because yes, we have makeup and we have wellness, and you might say, well, yeah, but doesn't everyone kind of do the same there as well? Absolutely not. Our patented and patent-pending wellness products create targeted changes based on what I have learned causes all these horrendous skin conditions that we're facing. So when you realize that Osmosis is creating the change to address the most challenging skin conditions, you'll realize that this different approach really works. In fact, we've proven that it has.